The mind is everything what you think you become. This profound line of Buddha says that education is not merely acquiring knowledge, it is about unlocking potential, fostering independence, and empowering individuals to their destiny. Assalamu alaikum, I am Afrida Sarkar of 9th Standard. Try to say something on profound beauty of women's education. On the topic, you all came here. When only I see people, I ask them a question. I say, tell me man, what Nike stands for. They say, oh, that's easy, just do it. Then I say, tell me man, what Adidas stands for. They say, that's even more easier, impossible is nothing. Then I say, tell me man, what you stands for. When people look at you, do they think excuses? When people look at you, do they think victory? When people look at you, do they think that's the person that's going to give me everything irrespective of what they have got? Not in one day, not in 2 days, but on every single day. Here, I'm talking about the real level of commitment. Commitment that falls in the life even when you are not in the mood to do it. You thought you're going to have a dream and a goal and wake up next day to some sort of miracle. You will like dream whom? Friends, it doesn't work like that. If you have a dream, life punches at you and it will say, do you really want this? Your friends are gonna leave you. Your relatives are gonna abandon you. Don't know how to deal with you. Do you still want this? But my friends, it's a part of the journey. If you have came here, you have to go through this process. When I had got know that my friends doesn't like me, my family, my relatives, etc., I thought to back up. When I got an F grade, also that time also I feel so embarrassed that why this marks and this all. But then my motivation that wow, when I have came here, it is just a part of life. It will go past out. So why? I will quit now? Come on. It's a part of this journey. If you have came here, you all have to suffer from this. Yes, it might be very challenging for you that when you will do this, you will feel lots of sacrifices, lots of works you have to do, hard works, then so many things, etc. But still you have to make a hope inside your heart that yes, I will, I can. And there are some chairman sir, everyone, they have thanked about principal sir too much. But again I have to thank to our principal sir for his high level of confidence. Yes, whenever the situation came, whatever came, he never scared from anyone. He fight with all the movements.
Please clap your hands, everyone.
We all must get cheer from our principal sir by seeing his high confidence. Then our Sabigul sir. All the maths, all such of problems, not only in studies, but in life also. He solved so many things. He taught us how to solve. He taught us how to face all them. So today I am in this school. I am also very happy that I got all these inspiration people who have taught me all these things. And if you have came too far, then don't quit now. Work on all these things and build yourself, not to quit. And at last, yesterday I have also thanked, but today I am thanking that person again to teach me that I will win in my life by saying winners never do different things. They do things differently. Thank you so much. Have a good evening.